High problem with aqualisa quartz shower. The shower starts okay, but after about 10 seconds loses power, no water flow, although you can hear the pump still running. The processor has been replaced and also the blue LED shower control. These were changed because of the fault but has made no difference. Thanks, Peter.
Hi, my name is see if I can assist you. What model shower do you have? Also, what system are you running it off? Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
Hi, sorry for the delay in replying. The shower runs of a normal heating system, not a combi. The shower is a digital quartz, the gray older model. It had been working fine, then for no apparent reason it runs for about 10 seconds then stops pumping water, although you can still hear the pump running. After trying to find a fault, we gave up and purchased a new exact replacement gray box. At the same time, we also purchased a new shower control unit for the wall. Installed all and had exactly the same problem. As far as I am aware, there has been no change to water pressure and none of the pipework has been changed. The only part that has not been changed is the sensor cable from the wall control to the processor. Thanks, Peter. Relist, other. Not online.
Hi Peter, the only thing I can think of with your system is that the air gap or the float valve in your storage tank is not filling up as quick and the pump is drawing off the water. Check the tank to see if this is the case. You will need to be at the tank, then get someone to run the shower and watch the level or if you can hear any air being sucked in through the vent pipe. Please come back with result and I will see if I can assist you further. Regards, Neil.
Okay, thanks. I will check it out and get back to you. Peter.
From the fault described, I would also advise checking the following. The hose will appear fine from the outside, but the hose has an internal rubber liner which may have become blocked/twisted. To remedy this, unscrew the shower head from the hose, anti-clockwise, and place the open end of the hose at its lowest point, in the bath or shower tray. Turn the shower on. The water should come out in a straight, solid stream. If however the water splays out in a V-shape or appears to be twisting, then the internal liner is causing the low flow and the hose will need replacing. If there is air in your pipe work and or water system, this will cause low flow, pulsing and possibly temperature fluctuations. To remedy this: unscrew the shower head from the hose, anti-clockwise, and place the open end of the hose at its lowest point, in the bath or shower tray. Set the temperature on the shower control to the maximum cold position. Turn the shower on. Gradually start to increase the temperature, slowly blending in the hotter water. Keep doing this until you reach the maximum hot position. Important, if at any stage the water pulsates, splutters or surges, stop moving the temperature control and wait till both the flow and temperature stabilize. This is the air escaping. Once it corrects itself, then continue to move the temperature controller. Once you have reached the maximum hot position, keep it running on this setting for about 20 seconds, ensuring the flow and temperature are stable. Finally, do the opposite. Start blending in the cooler water, following the same procedure until you again reach the maximum cold position. If there is no change after all this, I would advise contacting Aqualisa themselves. They are a great company who will be able to assist you or come out under warranty of new unit. +44 01959 560010.
Hi Neil, most of what you suggest above we have tried. We actually disconnected the hose from the wall plate, which did not make any difference. The water tank was fine and was not drawing in air. I will take your suggestion and contact Aqualisa. Thanks for your help, it has been appreciated. Regards, Peter.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.